I'm going to place the treat under one of these bamboo cups. Larry's job is to sneak it out, and he will going to tell us that he found the treat by flipping the bamboo cup over using his phone. Okay, let's try it. First cup, second cup, and third cup. Alright, let's wait for Larry. Game na game si Larry. Come on, Larry, go back to your spinner. Okay, I will put the treat under the second cup. Larry, whenever you are ready, go find the treat. Snipping, snipping, and you got it. Great job! Wow! Napakahusay naman ni Larry. Now let's make it more difficult. But this time, you decide where do you want to place the treat? First cup or third cup? Okay, under the third cup. Okay, Larry, again, whenever you are ready, go find the treat for us. Come on, Larry. Snipping, snipping, snipping again, and snipping again. So, that's a big round of applause for Larry, our farm event. Great job, Larry. There we go. Thank you so much, Winner Kate. Okay. See the pretty nail? It's healthy balance on the body. It is for hand sales that you can hang from it. Just like that. Yes. Pictorials have a lot to say. They chuckle when they are happy. They have a high-pitched wail when they are annoyed. They howl, run, and hit. They also use that buttered popcorn smell to mark their territory. And they have a usual high feet that they can rotate them backwards and walk down the tree head first. And you now will show us how. Just like that. Ayan, galing, diba? And lastly, Pictorials can only be found in the beautiful island of, start with the letter P. Pampanga.
Palawan.
Palawan, yes. That's why you refer to Palawan Burger. Well, come on, a big round of applause for Yula, our Ventura friend. Good job, Yula. Thank you so much, Trader Lang.